Ganun yung
Ayan na ba? Is this the reveal?
So here we have here Mr. Alden Charles.
What's up, guys? So it's my first time to get services from Miss Vives. I'm quite excited, and this is my first time to see my car in person. I don't know if the photos gives justice to it nung nasenso sa akin, sir, but you know, I have a friend who's a loyal client of yours, and I saw the things that you've done with this car. Feeling ko, sir, my car is in good hands na. Okay, let's go.
Go.